Choshi, a city near Tokyo, the unconventional approach of a struggling railway operator to revive its fortunes is just about keeping services on track. The city in Chiba Prefecture is best known as a fishing town, where the harbour regularly handles some of the largest fish landings by volume in Japan.
That's really soft, really delicious.
Local railway operator Choshi Electric Railway has been running train services in the city since 1923. From the old fishing townscape around Tokawa Station at the southern end of the Choshi Electric Railway line, trains amble through a rural landscape of cabbage fields to downtown Choshi at the northern end. The line comes closest to the coast around Inabo Station for access to the rugged Cape Inabo and lighthouse, popular with tourists. It takes around 20 minutes to travel from one end of the line to the other. A decline in population as well as in visitors since the line's peak in the 1950s saw passenger numbers drop. Choshi Electric Railway has since become synonymous with being in debt, according to the operator, which sometimes leans into its financial misfortunes with a sense of humour. In April, the railway launched its Gakepuchi, or cliff edge, project. A Japanese term used to express being on the brink, Gakepuchi is a reference to the railway's precarious finances, as well as to the cliffs around Choshi's Byobugaura and Cape Inabo coastlines. Under the project, the line has been given the moniker Inabo Gakepuchi Line, with signs made to match.
もともとうちの会社は赤字会社ずっと続いてます。その中で、崖っぷちラインっていうんですかね。もうここはもう赤字で通してたんですが、もう崖っぷちも当然だと。そんな感じでございまして。
While the self-deprecating humour is not to everyone's taste, enough people seem to be getting the joke. In 2018, Choshi Electric Railway began selling its own snack, mazuibo, or foul-tasting stick.
This is mazuibo.
経営状況がまずいからまずい。食べては美味しい。
食べて美味しい。
はい。
It tastes good.
そう。
An ironic take on the popular Japanese corn snack umaibo, or delicious stick, Choshi Electric Railway has since sold over 7 million sticks of mazuibo. For many years, the railway operator has been making its own version of nure senbei, the soft rice cracker which is a local speciality.
一番最初に出た味がこいつでカツオだけ。
カツオ？
はい、カツオ。
At its factory store, Nure Senbei Station, visitors can grill their own soft crackers.
Tastes even better when you've made it yourself.
Sales from snacks like Nure Senbei account for around 70% of revenue for Choshi Electric Railway, which says it couldn't keep the trains running without them. One of the most recent examples of the unconventional steps taken by the railway to raise its profile and keep trains running can be seen at one of its stations. This is the Republic of Nauru Kasagami Kurahai Station, named after the Republic of Nauru, an island nation in the South Pacific. Choshi Electric Railway has for some time been selling the naming rights to its stations in order to raise much-needed income. After a chance exchange on social media, Nauru, the world's smallest island nation by area, in August became the first country to acquire the naming rights to one of the stations. In October, the railway operator and staff from the Republic of Nauru Pavilion at the recently closed World Exposition in Osaka gathered at the station for the opening ceremony of the Republic of Nauru Choshi Pavilion. The country's island-shaped expo mascot, Nauru-kun, was also present.
I hope that this station and museum will become a new hub for friendship between Japan and Nauru.
The small museum includes displays of traditional clothing and other items from Nauru's Expo Pavilion. While Choshi Electric Railway hopes the station and museum can encourage visitors to the island nation, it is also looking to tourists of its own to bring its trains back from the brink.
現在はやっぱり地元の方の足として使われているのはもちろんのことですね、いろんな企画イベント、商品とかを出したりしているので、観光のお客様にもですね、ぜひ来ていただきながら、銚子の魅力観光をしていただいて、いろんな話題を発信していただけるような会社に今なってるのかなというふうに思ってます。